first let me take its pattern and working on pattern, and then I will show you some example. We have a POI or direction in a higher time frame, and in the low time frame we are looking for pattern like this. Price have a change of character, had a reaction to this area, and this can be QMR setup. And if we are not in the market and if price have a change, we can enter to the market in the second chance. Let me This is our first TP, and this can be our final TP. And let me take it like this. Okay. Let me add something to this pattern. It should be our change of character. Then here we have SNRC or POS, it's not important. And then we have a 1 or 2 candle have a react to this area, and after that price come down, and there should be FVG in this area. I don't name it. Then price comes up to this area, and this is SNRC1 area. Same other setup, we waiting for a confirmation in the lower time frame. Price should have a engulfing candle, and then we will enter to the market. About the stop loss, we have two kind of stop loss. One of them is above the area, and our TP can be in the end of the danger zone. And the second entry the second stop loss maybe if price touch this area. I want to talk to you about the second scenarios. Okay, maybe price come up and take our stop loss, and then we should waiting to see what will happen on the market. And if see again change of character, and price touch an unmitigated order block, let me change it color. It can be our order block. Okay, then we can enter again again in this area, take a profit till here. Put our stop loss about here and target at the end of this range. It can be our second entry to the market. Okay, so we have two scenarios when price come to the SNRC1 area. If our scenario had a touch stop loss, we're waiting for the second entry, and then we can take a profit to the market. Let's see the buy positions. As you see, we have something like this. And don't remember, price never, if price comes from our danger zone, our end of the range, then we don't trade this kind of trade. We should waiting. We prefer price come from middle of the range, not from the end of the range. Okay, let's see some example. As you see, price have a reaction to our direction, our POI, and in the 1 minute we saw something like this. If I change it to the line chart, you can see, let me turn off this. Price have come here, have a change of character, again price break this area. As you see in the candles, it's break it by a shadow, but this setup blind to the 50-second. I will show you in the lower time frame. And after price break this area, as you see, we have a FVG. Can you see that? This is our FVG, and here we have a order block that didn't touch. And if you want to enter, let me change to the 15-second and see it in the lower time frame. As you see, price come to this area, our entry setup area, mitigated order block, and we are waiting for a confirmation in the lower time frame to enter to the market. As you see, price, let me zoom it. Price had the engulfing candle. We take a position. After this candle it close, put our stop loss below here. And about the target, let's see what will happen. Change it to the 1 minute. And turn it off. Okay. As you see, price had a reaction to our area, and its risk reward ratio is around 4.5, and it's more of this, but we prefer to take it based on the first TP, and it will be enough. Okay, this was our first example. Let's see the second example. As you see, we have a support area. It has been break by 2 candles, and then price come down, and we have a FVG here. This is FVG, and here we have a FVG in this area. As you see, price come up until to this area, but didn't touch our order block that is in the area of SNR. So we should waiting for the price. We have a order block in here. Okay, we are waiting price to touch this area. Okay, as you see, price touched this area. Now we are waiting for a engulfing candle in the same time frame as our confirmation. Okay, here, let me zoom it. This is our last candle for this one. No, this one, our candle. And this candle not, but this candle has been closed below the shadow of this candle. So this is our engulfing candle. We enter to the market at this area. Put our stop loss above here, and our target can be here. As you see, our risk reward ratio is around 3. Let's see what is going on. As you see, price again come to this area. As you see here, we have a FVG, and in the lower time frame here can be an order block. Price come and touch this unmitigated order block. Because of that, I prefer put my stop loss above this area. Okay, and let's see what's going on. Okay, price touch our TP. In the market, we have a many example of SNRC1. I just show you 2 of them, and please try to find more and practice. Let's practice together and grow together, and see what we can do in the future. I will show you more and more, and I try to have a live trade in the future, in the coming days and weeks, and share it with you. Hope you be fine. Have a good time.